Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 10 trades. Today's date is April the 29th and I'm using my brand new Super Scalper trading system. It's this indicator here you see at the top that goes from blue to yellow. When it changes colors, you'll get a pop-up alert box just like this. And it'll tell you the pair, time frame, whether you should be buying or selling, and the default settings are 15 pip stop, 15 pip target. You can change that if you so desire, make it whatever you want. You'll hear an audio sound on your computer, like I said, and you'll see this pop-up box. So there was an alert right over here for selling, and look at that move. Not too bad at all. 67 pips. And from one down to here up to there is 75 pips. Keep in mind you should always be going in the direction of the higher time frames. You really have to know what the higher time frames are doing. And every morning at 6 o'clock right here at this vertical line, I'm in front of the computer drilling down the lights. From the monthly right down to the 30 minutes, I am producing my daily trade plan. You can take a look at that for April the 29th, 22, my daily trade plan. You must have some kind of a daily trade plan. Traders who do not have a trade plan never ever succeed at being successful at trading the markets. So keep that in mind. If you don't know how to make one of these, well, get in touch with me and you can get your hands on this one. It's at least 80% accurate. And of course, nothing is 100%. As you know, if it hits strong support or resistance, the market's just going to do a pullback, and it could be 50 or more pips. So you got to be aware of that. I analyze 11 instruments, the ones that I like the most. You can analyze anything you wish to trade. And I did 10 trades out of 21. That's almost 50%. And I could have traded more, but I figured 10 trades, I'm pretty sure I'm going to get at least 200 pips. And just looking at this, and because I have the DAX in here, this DAX 30, this is way above the 400 pips and ticks for today. So another great day of trading. And by the way, every day this week was really good trading. It was fantastic, actually. I'm beginning to really love this Super Scalper trading system. It is definitely one of my favorites as of today. So keep that in mind. If you want to get some more information on the daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Keep in mind I do charge $100 a month. And if you want to save thousands of dollars, I have a special offer running right now that I'll teach you how to make one of these daily trade plans. And you will save thousands of dollars over the years. So anyhow, now we can get into these trades. By the way, you can put it on pause and you can run a check for all the trades I did not take. And you'll see that 80% are winners. Here we go, moving right along. There's our pop-up box. Every one of these trades, there was an alert telling me to either buy or sell. Euro dollar, let's see where I did get in at. Knew I wanted to be selling. This is when I saw it and I knew that it's going to come down to here. And it hit it almost right to the pip. Could have stayed in for a few more, but I was happy with what I got. This is the euro dollar, so it has to be 10. There it is right there. 10 pips times $10 times 10 lots, that's why you see an even $1,000. Now just to let you know, this scalper along with this TZ magic indicator, when you get them both agreeing, which they do, and when they both line up, let's say right in this general area, away it goes, especially this TZ indicator. It really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. I call that the flow of the market. So now we can move on to the next trade, Pound Aussie. Here we go. Another one I sold. By the way, I took all of these trades between 6 and before 8. And by 8:30 roughly, I was done trading for the day. Easy trading. And it's only 9 o'clock in the morning as I'm doing this video. As soon as I'm done this, my weekend starts and I can do whatever I wish to do. Love trading the markets. Gives you a lot of time to do whatever you love to do. Pound Aussie. Remember, all these trades were taken from the daily trade plan. Took the trade, everything screaming to sell, so I sold it. And let's see, Pound Aussie. Close out the trade here with about 14 pips. And those 14 pips on the Pound Aussie paid $1,002. Okay, let's move on to the Pound CAD trade. Another one I knew I wanted to be selling, taken directly from the daily trade plan. We're getting sell signals up here. Everything else, well, from back here, sell, more sell signals here. So let's see where I got in the trade. Well, that was your last sell signal, so I'm in the trade. I figured it's going to go down to here, but I closed it out being happy once I saw how many pips I had. And at this point there was about, let's see, looks like 19. And those 19 pips paid out $1,491. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, Pound Swiss. This one here, trade plan said was buying, got a buy signal right on the line here. Let's see where I did get in. Should have got out up here, but it's not too far off, so it's not a big deal one way or the other. Let's see, when I saw this scalper changing colors, I figured it's better get out of this trade. Looks like I ended up with 15 pips, and those 15 pips on the Pound Swiss paid $1,645. Moving on to another trade, Euro CAD. There's the arrow to remind me, as I can't remember 21 instruments. But anyhow, definitely want to be going when I get a sell signal with the super scalper. Everything lined up perfectly, perfect timing and everything. And I knew it was gonna give me a few pips, as I should have got in over here or anywhere over here, but I took the trade and I was only looking to grab a few pips. Let's see what those few were. Looks like 20, and I was happy with 20 pips. And those 20 pips paid $1,648. Remember, when you're trading, it's better to do more instruments and don't be too greedy. Don't be looking for 50 or 100 pips. You only need 10 or 20, and you do a bunch of trades, and it won't take long before you got 100 to 200 pips every trading day. Here we go. Euro, let's see, that was Euro CAD. S&P 500. Let's go and take a look at that one. Knew I wanted to be selling from the daily trade plan. Let's see where I got in at. If you look carefully, you can see the cursor where I got in, and that's where I got out over here. So let's see. From there to there is approximately 45. You remove the last two digits. I'm going to use a calculator to be more accurate, and it does pay $5 for each tick. Calculator says it's 47, so took the money and divided it by 5. See if I can show 47 in here. Very hard to get it right on, to be honest with you. Sometimes I have to go down to the 5 minutes to actually get it to show. And even at that, oh, there it is, 47. So it's 47 ticks, and that ended up paying out, after you times it by $5, it paid out $2,375. Moving on to the next trade, Euro Aussie. Here we go. This one I wanted to sell, scalper, system, indicators. They were all saying to sell, including the daily trade plan. So I got in at this cursor and have to focus, but there's the cursor right there. Looks like it's about 53, and those 53 pips paid $3,797. Okay, let's move on to the Russell. Now the Russell pays $10 a pip or tick. Let's see where I got in. There's the arrow. Can hardly see it. Dropped it down to the 5 minutes so you can see the arrow. This is where I got in. Everything screaming, including a great way to trade. Closed it out over here just being happy. Has to be 42, so there it is there. 42 times $10 times 10 lots. That's why you see $4,200. I'm going to nickname this another Holy Grail trading system, because this indicator on the top and the TZ magic indicator truly makes trading super easy, a lot of fun, pumping out hundreds of pips and ticks a day. So here we go with my Holy Grail trading system, silver. Let's take a look at this silver. Now this one, you're not going to see hundreds of pips in the blue boxes here, as this one moves a lot, shows a lot less ticks, but it does pay $50 for each tick. And that was a fantastic move on the way down. Imagine getting in around this area and closing out about now. Look at that, 46. Even if you just got 40 times 50, that's $2,000 move if you did one standard lot. So let's run a check. Got a pretty good amount. Not too bad, I guess you could say. 23. Something didn't quite add up correctly in my head, so I took the calculator, 12,000 divided by 50, that worked out to being 24. So let's see if I can show 24 here. There it is there. 24 actually. And that's why you see those 24 ticks paying out $12,000. Now you know why I love doing the futures. Let's move right along to the DAX 30. This one moves a lot, pays a lot. Well, what can I say? I like it. I'm going to drop it down to the 5 minutes, and I'm going to need a calculator. Just took the money, divided it by $3.75, because that's what it pays for each tick, and it turned out to be 330. So let's see if I can show 330. It's very hard to get it right on, but anyhow, That's as close as I can get. But anyhow, it's 330 ticks times $3.75, and that's why you see it paid out $12,375. Another great, fantastic day of trading. Fantastic week to end the week. What else can I say? I'm super happy with my Super Scalper trading system. I just added up all the pips and ticks, and I knew it was going to be well over 400. Today it worked out to 574, and those 574 pips and ticks paid out $41,535. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis like my Super Scalper trading system, well, I recommend you get your hands on it along with the daily trade plan. You want some more information? All you got to do is look right below this video. And you'll see this right up. Super Scalper system. I do charge $250 for it. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. Now my system has over 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Included are a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. This is all just bonus stuff, and there's a lot of it. And when you get it, don't be lazy. Do the homework. Or, why pay for something and then don't watch or read? It makes no sense at all. But anyhow, this is just all bonus stuff, and it will help you to learn how to, trade the markets successfully. So just make sure you do the homework and you understand what is being taught. So you can put the, let's see now. There's a lot of ways to trade here, and I do teach a lot of different ways. That's why there's 22 training videos, about 30 minutes long each. Now I'm not going to read everything here. We're definitely running short of time. Check out all the different ways that I teach. If you have any questions, simple, pick up the phone and call me. Now if you live too far, it's simple again. Just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. Now I really do prefer Skype, as once you click on this link, we have Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I can show you and tell you lots of different things, tips and tricks at how to trade the markets. And of course, keep in mind I do all of that with no obligation to you. Now if you click on this link right here, you'll see 40 screenshots of all the systems I've been building over the years. So it's time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, should be Monday. I want to wish you happy trading. Have a great weekend, and most of all, remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.